Can I tell you what's been on my mind?
Put the stuff back to their place after using, and you will never need to make an order at home before cleaning. Is it that simple? I'm getting frequently asked for advice how to deal with untidy person. We are all different, and our perception of how we are seeing the things is also different. But sometimes we have to step back from being a parent to our adult partner and come to very clear and simple agreements. In this video, I will speak why our perception of tidy home can be diverse and few tips which work for us and maybe also will be helpful for some of you. So let's get our ducks in the row. The first thing is keep it simple. Simpler the system is, more chances that it will work. It was difficult for me to put away the laundry after the washing, so it stayed sometimes week-long in the stash. Then I decided to be more neat and tidy and said to myself that in my wardrobe I'm going to put only the clean and ironed clothes. I hate ironing, so they continued to stay in the stash. I am very proud of my iron clothes, but so I am proud of my not ironed ones. They are clean and in the wardrobe. Keep it simple. Every task which needs 3 steps, it's predestinated to fail. Keeping alike with alike rather than organizing by purpose than by color than by size. Three-level organizing systems look very nice on Pinterest or in the shop, but it's not going to work in the real life, especially where one is super tidy and another is creative. Keeping the things there where we are using them. Although the idea of minimalism calls for purging multiples, sometimes it doesn't work. We have few pairs of scissors in the kitchen drawer, near the washing machine, on the desk or in the wardrobe, because I know if we had only one pair, it would get lost. So why it's so difficult to put the things away? Because of different motivation. When you desire something and you need some tool or instrument for it, your motivation to get this tool is bigger when to put it back after your aim is achieved. Because the tool did its job and you are on the next stage. Your labels are cut off, you're dressed and ready to move on. The psychologists are calling it Inattentional blindness. You don't see what you are not looking for. But still, put the things back to the place right away after using them. Yes, it takes the same time to put it into the right place like into the wrong one. Daily used things we are keeping in easy to reach out place and clearly labeled. That way they can easily find the way back home. I remember an anecdote where the wife was teaching the husband where the sugar is. In the coffee can, where is written the salt. Yeah. Give the things home. It's so often repeated by all organizers because it makes sense. When the things have permanent places, they less likely will sit somewhere cluttering the surface, because everyone will know where they belong to. It happened to be that the first chosen address was not working on the long term, so I am free to make the adjustments. We have also a container in the pantry for the items which can't be immediately disposed with the regular garbage. So those items are not sitting somewhere homeless on the surface for uncertain time. A bag, box or bin work just the same. Minimize. If you have just one cup, plate, cutlery set per family member, it's more likely that it will be washed, because nobody wants to eat from the dirty dishes or run out of clean underwear. Putting simple organizers where we want to be organized. For instance, I need box for woolly blankets. Even not folded, blanket will look intentionally if laid like this. By the way, we are daily wearing all the same socks. I know it's boring, but it also saves tons of time because there is no need to sort them after washing. It's enough to have them in the box like this, and first two from the top are ready to go. Okay, I'm folding them, but I really like doing this. We have a deal on how long the items will stay in resting position and have the spaces where it's prohibited to clutter, whereas it's a living room and a corridor. It's not so that we are just gliding in there with no trace. Simply, the clutter has to be removed as quick as possible. Be it shoppings or clothes or coffee mugs. Sharing the tasks. I'm better in tidying and organizing. Christian is better in carrying difficult things, sorting the waste, making the phone calls, and feeding the cat. And piano playing. Make an agreement, but don't make the rules alone. Better show how the cluttered home looks like for you and how does it look like to your partner. You will understand that he or she views their stuff other way than you. When I asked Christian what's for him is an order at home, he said, when all bills are paid. Dust and clothes on the chair? No, I'm never seeing such a thing. So, compromise. Let the untidy person the place where they can keep their belongings on the surface. Christian likes to keep his music sheets on the piano, and the grand piano has quite a big surface, and even though for me it looks a bit chaotic, he knows exactly where every score is, so there is an order in disorder. To wrap it all, if somebody is making efforts to tidy up, give them a compliment. Be patient and don't fix their done job. They will be better next time. Don't sound like a parent to your adult partner and don't punish them. Relax. There must be more reasons why you are together than the tidy home only. And maybe take it easier next time when your ducks are asymmetrical. Quality time together is more valuable than tidying up all the time. I hope you were enjoying this video and you also have something to add to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Eddie.